Okay, we're first here to the doll tutorial, and here's how it works. Put the hairpin like here, hairpin here, so it will spin like this. Yeah, okay, like that. It will look like that. Yes, it will look like that. The hair will look like that, and on the side, we're gonna do the knot in here. You know how to do the knot. We're gonna knot her hair in here. Okay, let's see. Okay, what happened to the video? There. Okay, I'm done knotting the hair, so I'm just gonna find the pony. It's called Sanrio here. Okay, this knot looks like this, and I'm gonna tie her hair. See it? Tie it. Okay, it's tied. So you can see the hair. So your doll will look like this. See? She looks like this. Pretty. Okay. Not so pretty on yours, but okay. You cannot take this hairpin because her hair will get ridiculous or something that will stand out if you play with her. Okay, thank you for watching and bye bye.